Create a manual J with me in less than 5 minutes. First, we need to import the plans for our future home. Since the plans don't import with the scale, we will need to tell Wrightsoft the scale of these plans, which can be accomplished by measuring along a known measurement. Once we've scaled our plans, I like to change the color of the different levels so I can easily distinguish between them. Then, we can continue by overlapping level 1 and level 2. Here's where the fun starts. We can finally begin tracing out our rooms. During this stage, I'm roughly drawing out the spaces using squares and rectangles. Once I complete the entire shape of level 2, I'll go back and merge the individual rooms to create an accurate replica of the actual spaces. By the end of this stage, each room should match the plan and have its respective name. Once level 2 is completed, I'll follow the same steps to finish level 1. After we finish drawing both levels, I like to focus on the exterior doors and windows, carefully ensuring that all height measurements are accurate. We won't bother adding any interior doors as they don't contribute to the home's load. Next, I'll check to see if any additional alignment of the floor levels is needed. Fun fact: creating a heat load calculation is essential for right-sizing your equipment. This ensures that your system can meet demand while remaining efficient. Oversizing can lead to decreased efficiency and short cycling, which can shorten the lifespan of your equipment. Once I've reviewed the plan to ensure everything is correct, I'll account for the air changes per hour, which measures how leaky or well-sealed the home is. Then, I'll incorporate the outdoor fresh air system. When considering a new HVAC system, ensure that your contractor uses precise calculations for heat load, equipment selection, and duct design to ensure optimal performance and efficiency. In this next step, we'll be working on a simple manual D. We'll be using a Bryant multi-zone mini-split system. On the first floor, we'll install a wall-mounted air handler, and on the second floor, we'll be installing a duct sealing cassette. This setup will allow us to efficiently duct to all 3 bedrooms and the bathroom. By choosing to install a multi-zone mini-split system, we gain the added benefits of both heating and cooling with minimal ductwork. This setup allows us to use just one outdoor unit to keep the entire home comfortable, all while reducing the need for extensive duct installation. After positioning our sealing cassette on the second floor, we'll focus on placing the supply and return grills where we want them. I prefer to place the registers along the exterior walls for the added benefit of better air mixing. And just like that, we've completed a manual J, manual S, and manual D. I hope you found this helpful, or at least interesting. While it doesn't actually take just 3 minutes to complete these manuals, this demonstration helps explain the process. If you have a project that needs professional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Pro Heating and Cooling. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.